ओम वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधेतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। We'll continue with the reading of the words. Akoshi, you can please read.
Yes, Guruji.
Yeah.
Nakudaha. Ajaha. Aja. Vyadraha.
Read again.
Vyagraha.
Good.
Vyagri.
Good. Vyagra is tiger.
Yes.
Vyagri, female tiger. Aja, goat. Aja, female goat. They are going to see those masculine, feminine forms and all later. Now you can see the difference. The Aja, Vyagri, all these are feminine words. Okay, next person, Akanksha ji.
Yes, Guru. Vanaraha kapihi. Bidalaha marjaraha. Bidali marjari.
Female. Bidali, Marjari.
Vrushabhaha bhallukaha. Rikshaha.
Good. Next person, Deepika ji.
Yes, please. Meshaha, Edakaha, Rukaha, Simhaha, Mahishaha, Mahishi.
Yes, Magishi. You can see the feminine words. Magishaha, Magishi.
Yes, Guruji.
Bidalaha, Bidali. Marjaraha, Marjari.
Yes, Guruji.
Next person, Subbalakshmi ji. Subbalakshmi ji can read this.
Rishakaha. Rishaka.
Read again.
Rishaha.
Not Rishaha, Rikshaha.
Rikshaha.
Rikshaha. Ksha is the conjunct consonant.
Rikshaha.
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 What is this? What is the last letter?
Sha.
Not sha.
uh,
It is ksha.
Sha.
It is not sha. It is ksh. It is ksha. What are the letters in that conjunct consonant? What are the letters? What are the constituents of the letter ksha?
Kara plus Sha.
Kakara plus murdanya shakara.
Yeah.
Ksha is combination of kakara and
Shakara.
murdanya shakara. Okay, this is kakara plus sha. This is murdanya shakara, cerebral shakara. We know the place of pronunciation. So we identified the letter by the place of pronunciation. That's why I said murdanya. Murdanya means cerebral. Cerebral shakara. So therefore, this is sha, and this also sha, and this also ksha. All these are different, totally different. The pronunciation is different. This sha is like in the word shankara. It is talavya shakara, palatal shakara.
Shashti.
This not shashti. This is shakara is in shankara.
Next one.
Next one is shashti. It is cerebral. The lip, his tongue has to be folded and touch the roof of the mouth. Murdanya shakara. Then next one is also the same.
Akshara.
Yes, that is a combination of two consonants. That's why it's a conjunct consonant. And the chakara also is there. So, and sakara. All these have got fine differences based on the place of pronunciation. It's very important. The knowledge of the place of pronunciation is very important. Okay. Unless we know the place of pronunciation, we cannot utter these letters properly. Shakara is palate. Palate, the tongue should be parallel or touch the palate. Sha. This is sha. The tongue has to be folded. And this also to be folded. Ksha. But here, the first letter is kakara, which is guttural. The next one is chakara. This is also palatal. But that's the difference between this chakara and this. This shakara is sibilant, mahaprana. This is chakara, hot consonant, palatal. And sakara is totally different. This is dental. These differences must be clearly shown when you read a word. Okay. Important. Sanskritam without the proper pronunciation will not be charmful. So therefore, rikshaha should be clear and distinct. Next one, continue, Subhlakshmiji.
Lobasha.
Lomasha.
Lomasha. Shallaki. Vili Vardha. Vardaha.
Read again.
बलि बलिवर्धः
Balivardaha. You have to say
Gopati. बलिवर्धः
Bali is Ikaranta. It's a long vowel. Balivardaha. Okay.
गोपतिः शकरः वरा
Please read properly.
शूकरः वराहः
Next person, Yajna Priyaji.
Yes, ji. Harinaha, Mrigaha,
Mrigaga can also mean animal, just animal, or it can mean deer also.
Harini, Mrigi.
This is Strilinga,
Yes.
feminine words, yeah.
Gajaha, Hasati,
Not Asati. Please read properly. That is not Asati.
Hasati, Dirgati, Hasati.
I'm not talking about tea. I'm talking about another word. Which that's a
Gajaha.
no. I'm talking about
Ah.
the letter in that word. I'm not talking
Ha.
about the letter Asati. I'm not talking about the letter E. E is correct.
Ha.
But what is that one
Ha.
more letter?
Hasati.
Where is Asati? Where is
The
Sa?
second letter.
Second letter is it Sa?
Ha. Ha. Sa. Ti.
Asati. Where is the
Hasati.
vowel in the
Ah.
second letter? Okay, let me ask another way. If you write in your paper
Ha.
constituents of the letters in the word asti. Oh, okay, myself has said. I myself have said the answer.
Understood, ji. Understood. I said Hasti.
Asti, not hasati.
Yes, ji. Yes, ji. Yes, ji. Sorry.
It's a conjunct consonant. Okay.
Yeah.
Hasti. Hasati, how it will look?
Yeah, I am.
Hmm?
Sounds Halabaha.
That's okay. We'll come to that later. Now let us see. Hasati. If you're saying Hasati, Hasati will be looking like this. What is this?
This is Hasati.
This is what you read, but it is not in the screen.
Okay, ji.
The screen it was.
Hasti.
So there is a difference. In this word, Akara plus Akara plus Sakara,
Sa plus Kara
Akara plus,
Ta plus E.
not the, you have to say this as
Takara plus
Takara.
Dirga E.
You should not say this as this is Takara. Not
Takara. Yes,
Ta
ji.
is different. Ta, when you say it's a
Yeah,
combination
without
of Takara and Akara.
That's small
The
stroke will not be there.
difference, maybe a small difference, but it makes a lot of difference. The next one is Hakara plus
Ha.
Akara
Sa.
plus Sakara plus Takara
Ha.
plus E. The constituents of the letters of these two words, they are not same. Are they same or not?
Oh,
Are they same?
different. No, ji. Because
Because
Sa.
Akara plus A is
Ha.
consonant vowel combination, which has become Ha.
Ha.
Takara
Yes.
plus Akara has become Sa. And Takara
Yes.
plus E has become Ti. Whereas here, Hakara plus A is Ha. Sakara not followed by any vowel. Sakara plus
Yes.
Sakara plus E. Sti. Therefore, Hasti. So this
Hasti.
is a conjunct consonant. So when you read, you have to read when conjunct consonant is there properly. Pay attention
Yes.
to conjunct consonant. Okay, continue.
Kalabaha. Kari Shavakaha.
Karishavaka.
Kari Shavakaha.
Okay. You can read the first line.
Dar Darpanaha.
You can read the heading also.
Ji.
You can read the heading of the
Oh, okay, okay, ji, okay, ji.
heading of the screen. This is
Nityo Ayo Gava Sutini. Nityo Payo Gava Sutini.
read again.
Nityo Payo Gava Tuni. It should be pronounced as tu. Is G?
Yes, read together.
Nityo Payo Gavastuni.
What is your full name?
My name Ji?
Yeah, your name.
Yajna Priya.
Full name.
Yajna Priya only.
Now, with your father's name or if you are married, your husband's name. What is your full name?
My father's name is Yajna Priya Ganesan.
Okay. Yajna Priya Ganeshan, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Yep. Riya. Riyaga. Nashe. Can we read like that your name?
No, no, no.
Yajna Priya Ganeshaha. Ya. Nya. Nyap. Ri. Yaga. Nashe.
No, Ji.
Or Nesha, sorry. Can we read like that? That is how you are reading that.
No,
Nityopa.
Ji. It's a very
Yoga bus.
big letter. No? It's a big word.
You have to
So,
read without any pass. Yajna Priya Ganeshaha. Right? Ganesha,
Yes,
the
Ji.
word Ganesha. You cannot add the Ga to the previous word. Yajna Priya ending with A. Yajna
Yeah.
Aga Nesha. You cannot read like that.
Yeah.
That's what you are reading. There is no pause between the letters of the word. It is one word. Without pause, you have to read. You read it
It's a very big word.
the letters correctly, but as a word, it is one word to be read without any
Yes.
pause. Read without any pause between the letters.
Nityo Payo Gavastini. Nityo Payo Gavastini. Correct, Ji?
Again,
Nityo Payo Gavastuni.
again,
Nityo Payo Gavastuni.
yes. Nityopayoga vastuni.
Nityo Payo Gavastuni.
Actually, this word has got three words. Three words are there in one word. Nitya upayoga vastuni. Nitya means every day. Upayoga is that which are useful. Vastuni means the objects. Daily useful objects. The objects which you use daily. That is what it means. Nityopayoga vastuni. Not nityopayoga vastuni. Right?
Yes.
Understand? It's one word. Therefore, there should not be pause between the
Yes.
letters. Nityopayoga vastuni. No pause. Read like that.
Nityo Payo Gavastuni.
Okay. Now you read the words. Yeah, please read the first line.
Darpanaha.
What is Darpanaha? Mirror.
Ji?
Darpanaha means
I couldn't
mirror.
hear you.
Yeah.
Right.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, now it's audible, Ji.
Okay. Next one. You can read.
Manchaha.
Manchaha means cot.
Uh,
Okay. Continue.
Vidu Deepaha.
No, read again properly.
Vidudeepaha.
Not Vidu. The letter is, second letter is not Du.
Vidyudeepaha.
Yeah, in fact, that's a mistake in that word. It should be, you can note it. It must be Vidyud Deepaha. Vidyut is electricity. Deepaha is light. So electric bulb. Vidyud Deepaha. Okay, the word should be Vidyud Deepaha. So the second letter is Du, not Du. Understand?
So yes.
Vidyud Deepaha. It is,
Vidyudeepaha.
okay, you can tell me the letters of the word in that order. You can tell me. You can tell, I will type.
Vakara plus E.
E is short or long?
Short. Da plus U. Da
It is
plus Ya plus U.
It is the or
Dakara plus.
you have to say Dakara, not the.
Yes, I forgot. Dakara plus Yakara plus U. Vidyut. Dakara plus Vidyut. Vidyut.
What is the next letter?
Dakara plus. Vidyut Deepaha. Da plus D. E. Dakara plus E.
Yes. Dakara plus E.
Two Dakaras plus Dirga E. Pakara plus A plus Visargaha.
A plus Visarga. You can
Pakara.
say Visarga like that. Aha. You can say aha.
Okay.
Visarga cannot stand independently. We have seen Visarga, Anuswara and all. That's why they are called
Yes.
Ayogavaha. So these are the letters. Okay. Vidyud Deepaha.
Vidyut Deepaha.
So when you have letters like this, you have to add like this. Vakara plus E is V. Dakara plus Yakara plus U. Dakara plus Yakara is conjunct. So Du.
Yeah.
And
Du
Dakara plus E also
Dakara plus
conjunct.
E
And Pakara plus Aha.
plus
This is
Akara.
how you have
Aha.
to join. Remember, when you join the letters, the consonant will be joined with the following vowel. So
Yes.
when you have doubt, you write the letters of the word like this, and you can put a bracket after the vowel, starting from the
Okay.
consonant. Start from the consonant, cover all the consonants, and where it ends, the vowel, cover it, the bracket. Therefore, there will not be any confusion. This is how we have
Yes.
to see. So Vakara plus E is V. If you take E plus Dakara, it becomes Id, then Vakara will be hanging there. So always consonant and the following vowel to be added.
Got it.
So you get the full consonant. Full consonant means the consonant with the vowel.
Yes.
Okay, now continuing further. The next word.
Karadipaha.
Karadipaha. Torchlight. Okay, the next person now. Neelam Desaiji. Can you read?
Yes. Mandapaha.
Neelam Desaiji. These are maybe very simple. I told you before that it's a beginner's class.
Yeah.
If you are already familiar with the script, maybe this class may be very easy for you. Is it okay to continue here?
Okay. Yeah, sure.
Okay. But we have covered the place of pronunciation and other topics. So you please go through those classes.
Sure.
The knowledge of the place of pronunciation is very important,
Hmm.
because in later classes it is taken for granted that you know the place of pronunciation, and it is useful all the way. You'll be
Yes,
seeing
yes.
that. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll go through the earlier classes recordings.
Okay,
So
I'll send you the link of those classes.
yes, sure, sure. Thanks.
Please read.
Padatranam.
Padatranam. Padatranam or Padarakshaha. It means slippers, shoes. Okay.
Kaktam.
Not Kaktam. Maybe it is not clear in the screen, I think.
Is the da is half, so I don't know whether
It is not the. That's why. Okay, I'll type it. Now you can read.
Okay. Kankatam.
Yes. Kankatam.
Kankatam. Yes.
Okay. It is not Dakara, it is Nakara. It's Anunasika letter.
Yeah.
Nasal.
Hmm. Kankatam. Bhavachitram.
Bhavachitra. Next person. Kirtiji.
Sivanayantram.
Good.
Sivanayantram.
Sivana Yantram.
Sivanayantram.
Sivana means sewing.
Okay.
Sivyati, stitching. Sivana Yantram. Okay.
Vatayanam. Vatayanam.
Vatayanam means window.
Window.
Vata means Vayu.
Okay.
Vatayanam is the passage of the Vayu. That is window.
Okay. Vatayanam.
Continue.
Javanika.
Javanika means
Curtain.
curtain.
Okay. Yana Petika. Suitcase.
Yes. Yana is travel.
Okay.
Petika is box
Box.
or case. So Yana Petika.
Okay.
Next person. Okay.
Nidhanika.
Okay. Next person will do that. Rajeshwari ji.
जी निधानिका
Yes. Nidhanika is
द्वि
shelf.
cupboard
Yeah,
shelf okay shelf द्विचक्रिका
Okay.
पंचालिका
Panchalika.
oh sorry panchalika mapika
Mapika
the
is
panchalika means
toy. That is.
toys okay thank you
Okay. Next person. Bhavani ji.
Mala.
I'm sorry. Mala.
Yeah.
Push. Pushpa.
Bush. Tani.
Pushpadhani.
Pushpathani.
Flower vase. Okay. Continue.
Duravani.
Okay.
Kartashi.
It is not she.
She.
See properly. It is not she.
Okay. Kartari.
It is kartari.
Okay.
Okay. It is re. If it is she,
I know there'll be line.
look like this. Okay. It is kartari.
Kartari.
Okay. Up to Bhavani ji, the names are there in the chat box. Others can type the name if you want to read. Now, the next person, Rajeshwari ji. You can read now. Rajeshwari Anand, another Rajeshwari.
Yeah.
can read the first line.
Sa- Sangha. Sanghanakam.
Read again.
Sa- Sangha. It is not nakam. That is right.
That's correct. But you are doing one mistake. What is that mistake?
That conjunct word I am not pronouncing properly.
No.
Sangra.
That's correct only. You are doing another mistake. Not that one. That's correct only.
Sir.
Now, read each letter. What is the first letter?
Sir.
Then with the conjunct,
Ngra. Nga.
you cannot read Nga and all. You can have to read with the previous preceding vowel.
Sangha. Sangha.
Now read.
Sangha. Sangha. Sangha nakaham. Nagam. Nakam.
Now you are doing another mistake.
Oh.
What is this letter?
No. No.
Now read this.
Nakam.
Now read together.
Sangha nakam.
That is what the word is. You are reading Sangha Nakam, that is wrong.
Okay.
Then you are saying Nakam, that is wrong.
Yeah. Yeah.
It is Sa. It is a
Sangha.
short vowel A. Sangha, it is A. Na is A, not Na. It is Na. If it is Na, this will look like this.
Yeah.
If it is Sangha Nakam, then it Sanghanakam will look like this.
Okay.
The important thing to be noted is you cannot stretch the vowel unnecessarily. If it is a short vowel, only that much time, matra.
Okay.
If it is a long vowel, 2 units of time. Short vowel, 1 unit of time.
Okay.
There's a natural tendency will be there to stretch. Don't stretch. You have to be alert. Watch that. The vowel.
Okay.
Matra is important.
Okay.
Matra change can change the meaning of the word itself. Okay.
Guruji, here it is typed in a different way, isn't it?
It's okay. Doesn't matter. The conjunct consonant, the consonant is written, pure consonant isn't followed by ga. Can be written
Okay.
like that, or the gakara, the following consonant can be written below that first consonant. Already we have seen that. It's not a problem.
Okay.
Can be written anyway.
Okay.
That has nothing to do with extending the vowel, stretching the vowel.
Okay.
That you read properly, but you stretch the vowel. That's not correct.
Okay.
Yes. Continue.
Doordarshanam.
No, again. Read properly. Each letter you read properly, and then each letter you read each letter of the word. You read the letter mentally, properly, and then read the word. Identify the letters, each letter.
Doordarshanam.
No, what is second letter?
Raka.
Huh? What is second letter?
Ra.
Now read.
Doordarshanam.
What did you read before?
Rakara, I pronounced
That's
like
wrong.
that. Doordarshanam. It is not ra. It is
It is not
Doordarshanam.
repa, not rakara. You should not say rakara. Rakara is
Yeah.
wrong.
Yeah.
You should say
Repa.
repa. It is
Yeah.
not repa. Repa is pure consonant, pure letter, semi-vowel letter. It is ra. Ra is repa plus a. So you have to correct this. So you have the problem of cutting the vowel, you have the problem of stretching the vowels. So this you have to pay attention. Okay.
Gana,
No, just now I said, listen to what I said now.
Ganaka Yantram.
Yes. Correct. Continue.
Pitika.
What about the last one, the first line?
Oh, another word is there. Yeah. Akashavani.
Okay. Next person. Prabhakarji. Next line.
Yes, correct. Utpitika
Good. Okay.
Vyajanam
Vijana.
Samikaraha Dandadipaha
Okay. Next line also you can read.
Stanika Churika. Yes, Guruji, sorry. Churika, Suchika, Lekhani.
Good. Suchika, Lekhani. Next person now. Rama Maneji. Next line.
स्यूतः आसनदः
Now read properly.
आसन्दः
Asandaha. Yes.
सुधाक नटः
No. Read again.
सुधाक
Read the conjunct vowel with the preceding conjunct vowels. I'm sorry, conjunct consonants. The preceding vowel.
सुधान्तः
No. Read properly. What is the first letter?
सुधाकण्ठः
Yes. Again.
सुधाकण्ठः
What is the first letter?
सु
What is the first letter? That alone you read.
स
What's the first letter? First letter, the consonant with the vowel. What is that?
सु
It's a short one or long one?
sorry, short one, Guruji.
Then why you said Sudha?
Sorry, Guruji. Sudhakantah.
Again?
Not Sudhakantah.
Again?
Sudha.
Yes, correct. Read.
Sudhakantah.
What is the last letter?
Kandaha. Sorry, Guruji.
Kandaha or Kantaha?
Kandaha.
Now read the full word.
Sudhakandaha.
Again.
Sudhakhand.
It's correct only. Read again. I'm asking you to repeat it. Okay.
Sudhakandaha.
Again repeat.
Sudhakandaha.
Repeat again.
Sudhakandaha.
If you do mistake, I will ask you to repeat 5 times. Okay. So that you will not do the mistake again.
Yeah.
Kandaha, it is not Kantaha. You have to pay attention to the letter and the Ucharanam. Kantaha, Ta is different. Da is different.
Yes.
And why you said Sura? Where is Su? Su is not there. It is Su only. Rasva, Ukara only. That is why in the beginning we spent a lot of time on the vowels. Short vowels, long vowels. So you have to see what is the vowel sign there. Vowel sign says it is Harasva Ukara. That matra alone. Okay. Next one. Continue.
Shyama Phalakam.
Good. Next line. Continue.
Dina Darshika.
Read again.
Dina Darshi. Dinadarshika.
Read again.
Dina Darshika.
What is the last letter?
Ka, Guruji.
Read now properly. The whole word.
Dina Darshika.
What is the last letter?
Ka.
It's a short one or a long one?
Long one, Guruji.
Then where is the long one? Where is that much matra? That long 2 matras when you read? Read again the word.
Dinadarshika.
You're making it short. Dinadarshika.
Dinadarshika.
Read again.
Dinadarshika.
It's wrong. You're saying it is a long, but you're reading it short. The last vowel of the word.
Dinadarshika.
That is what it is. Understand what I'm saying?
Ah, yeah,
I
got
want
it.
you to read. If I say, then how will you read? Dinadarshika. If you say Dinadarshika, then that is different. Dinadarshika, it is, ka is the long vowel. Right?
Dinadarshika.
There is a word, chatra. Chatra means student. Chatra that is also student. Chatra is male student, boy. Chatra, Strilinga, girl. Even the words what we saw, aja, goat. Aja, female goat.
Yes.
Therefore, you have to see the word. That's why I said the matra is important. You cannot say that Dinadarshika. If you say Dinadarshika, there is no word Dinadarshika really. If at all if the word is there, then the gender of the word may be different. Dinadarshika is Strilinga, the feminine gender word. Pay attention to the matra.
Sure, Guruji.
Read again, next one. Read again the word.
Dinadarshika.
Continue.
Lekana Phalakam.
Good. Continue.
Argakhani.
Where is Angakani?
Ard.
Don't supply any extra letter. Whatever it is there, you see that.
Ardhakani.
Ardhakani, where is Repa? Read read letter by letter. First you read the letters. What are the first letter? Then
Da.
it is Ga.
Da, Guruji.
It is not the. You see the stroke. You see the dot. You see the dot after the letter. Maybe that is not visible, I think.
Yes.
Visible only. You are using mobile, it will not be visible.
Angra. Nga. Ra.
Now read this.
Ankani.
Ankani. It is
Ankani.
Anuswara. This is nasal. Ankani.
Ankani.
Okay. So this Ankani, when you read this, when you read a word which has got conjunct consonant, first you say a, then the following one is the conjunct. So that has to be read along with the preceding vowel. The following one is nakara. Ang. You can say ang. Then followed by ka, anka, then nakara plus e, ankani. If you read like this, then this reading this would be difficult. That is why the consonant, the pure consonants, here in this case only one consonant is the nakara, should be read along with the preceding vowel, ang, then ka, then ni. Remember this method. This is ang, then ka, ni. Read like this. Be easy. Anka ni, ankani. When a word is there, first you see the letters of the word. A, then a conjunct consonant, then ni. Ni is a long vowel. Here A is a short vowel. So the conjunct consonant, you find out the pure consonant. Take out the last consonant. The last consonant is ka. What I mean by the last consonant, you know. The last consonant is the consonant followed by the vowel. So ka is the consonant vowel combination, the ka. Then pure consonant is nakara. That read the nakara along with the preceding vowel. A is there. So ang, then ka, ni, anka, ni, ankani. Right?
Yes.
This is how we have to read any word.
Excuse me, Guruji.
Yes.
In Ank, when we are writing that ink, why the another stroke is there in the down?
First of all, it is not
Below
ink.
that
First of all, it is not ink. That is wrong. Okay. You should not say ink.
Inga.
ing.
That is wrong. It is not ink. How ink will be? Ink will be like this. This is ink.
No,
Are they same?
no.
No.
It is not ink. E is not there.
Yeah, correct.
You have to say it as nakara.
No.
No.
Okay.
Nakara.
Pure
Pure consonant, how will you say ink? Cannot be pronounced.
Yeah.
Okay. Now your question is?
In that while writing ka ka ga ga nga, we just put only the dot, not the other stroke in the.
What is other stroke?
There is one more stroke
Where?
underneath it.
At the bottom?
Yeah.
Other stroke is not there. What is this?
Kakara.
Kakara.
Huh.
What is kakara? Is it a pure consonant or
No, it's not a pure consonant.
is it not a pure consonant? Then what it is then?
Ka is ka, magar we are, but we are taking
Yeah.
kakara. It is kakara.
It's a pure consonant or not?
Yeah.
That's what I'm asking. It's a pure consonant. Kakara.
Yeah.
So pure consonant has a stroke at the bottom.
Yeah.
Similarly,
Oh,
kakara
that's-
is a pure consonant has a stroke.
Yeah. Correct. Okay, Guruji. Okay.
Right? The same thing. And
Yeah,
this
okay.
dot is part of this dot, what you see to the right of the consonant. It is a part of the consonant.
This
That
is
is
where
to-
we are getting confused whether it is repa or any other.
Repa. Where is repa? That is no repa here. Why repa?
No. Any other thing is connected. Any other letter is connected with this. That's where we got confused. Okay.
Very clear.
Okay.
Your consonant has got this stroke. What is this stroke is called? There is no Sanskrita word. I gave an English word. Nether stroke. Pure consonant has got nether stroke. Okay. Anyway, so the dot is part of the consonant.
Okay. Thank you.
See, when you join the class, you please mute your mic and then join the class. Okay. Devakiji, you joined the class and with a lot of the noise came from your side. You mute your mic and then join the class and make sure that your volume audio works properly. Yes. Continue. The next person. Who is reading? Rama Maniji, the last one.
Shamasaha.
Shamasaha. Okay.
Sir, can I read?
Sorry?
Umaji.
See, you type your name, then only I can call your name. I see the chat box, the names, the list.
I sent it, sir.
It is not there, the chat box.
Okay.
I don't see your name. Okay.
Okay.
You sent it means you sent it privately to me. I don't see any message from you.
I sent it, sir. That is to Subbalakshmi Subramaniam. That is the name is there.
Subbalakshmi Subramaniam means it will go to her.
Yes, sir.
The message will go to her. So you send it to, when you type the message in the chat box,
Okay.
you
Okay.
don't send it to the privately will be there. Don't that privately you have to change. Change it to all. Okay.
Okay.
Change it to all, then it will appear in my chat box so that I can call you.
Okay. Okay, sir. You call me now, sir. I
Yes.
will type afterwards.
You can read now. You can read now, Umaji.
Okay, sir. Kakaha.
Where,
Vakaha.
where is Kakaha?
Kapod.
No, you read the first
Vakaha.
line.
Va.
First line, what you see in the screen. Kakaha is second line.
Vakaha.
Do you see the first line?
Okay. Okay. Mayuraha.
Hmm.
Sukaha. Pikaha.
Yes.
Next. Kakaha. Vakaha. Kabodaha.
Again, read the word.
Kabotaha.
Again, read the word. When I ask you to read the word, means there is some problem.
Oh. Kabo. Kabodaha.
Again,
Kapotaha.
yes, read again.
Kapotaha.
Yeah, read again.
Kapotaha.
Read 5 times the same word.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Kapotaha. 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 Kapotaha.
You understand now?
Now, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank
What did you read before? You said kabotaha. That is wrong.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then you said kapo
Yes, sir.
daha. That is also wrong.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
Kapotha. All these are Vallinam. In Tamil, we say Vallinam, right?
Okay.
Vallinam, this is hard consonants. Kapota. Kapota. First letter of the class consonants. It is not gha or it is not bha. You cannot say kabhotaha. What is kabhotaha? In Tamil, it will look like that if you write it. But in Sanskritam, we have separate letter for soft, separate letter for hard, and separate letter which has got alpa prana, maha prana. Kapotaha. Kapotaha. Okay.
Okay,
So,
Guruji.
pronunciation of the letter is important. Even when you sing the songs, I could see the problem, this problem. Okay. Therefore, the ucharanam of the words, the letters are important. Right?
Okay, Guruji.
That ucharanam only will make the song flawless. For the flawless, this song, of the Sanskrita song I'm saying, okay, which are already doing, the ucharanam has to be very proper. The change of the ucharanam, you know what happens? The change of the meaning. I'll give one example. We can, the screen, I'll type the name, I will type some words. You can read. Do you see the screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, Guruji.
Read this.
Sakala. Sakala.
Again,
Sakala.
sakala, right?
Yes.
Read this word.
Shakala.
Are they same?
No, Guruji.
What is this word?
Sakala.
And this one?
Shakala.
Sakala means the whole, the entire, the complete. Shakala means parts. The change of ucharanam of the letter sa, sha will be totally different. The meaning will be totally different. In Tamil, how do you write? Same, right? If you have the Tamil script with you and you read this, Sakala, Shakala will look same. But they are different. Right? The
Yes.
Ucharana difference will give a different, totally different meaning.
Okay, Guruji.
That is why I said this kapotaha. It's very, that Ucharana has to be proper.
Okay.
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 Next line you can read.
Shenaha. Gritaha.
Read again.
Gritaha.
Read again. What is second letter?
Second is dha.
Only dha is there. Gridaha only is there. What then? Why that unnecessary stroke is there? One more stroke.
Gritaraha. Gritaraha.
It is Gridaraha. If it is Gridaraha, it will appear like this. This is Gridaraha. This is what is on the screen.
No, Guruji, no, Guruji.
Then okay, you tell me the letters of the word. Each letter of the word. Tell one by one. I will type.
Okay. Ga plus
You should not say ga.
ga.
What is the first letter?
Ga.
This is what you're saying. Ga.
Gakara.
You have to say gakara.
Gakara. Sorry, Guruji.
Then
Gakara plus Akara.
akara. Okay. Then from where akara comes, I don't know. You're saying
Akara plus r.
akara plus r. From where akara has come? Can any two vowels come together, one after the other? Have you seen anything like that before?
No, Guruji.
Okay, what is the first letter? So I think you have to do your homework. I don't know. In 1 week we have got 7 days every week. Only one. I mean, weekly once only we have class.
Yes.
Whether you do homework, I don't know. You have to do homework. You have to see go through the words. I sent you the whole file. In fact,
Okay, Guruji.
you have to go through the file. All the things are very clearly explained, and we have seen in the class.
Yes, Guruji.
Okay, then where is akara in that? What is the first letter?
Ga. Gakara.
First, I said it is not ga. It's wrong. Okay. When I correct a mistake, that correct the mistake once for all. Don't repeat the same mistake again.
Okay,
Not ga, it is gakara, number 1.
Gakara. Okay.
What is the next letter?
Plus A.
From where this akara has come? Okay, what is this letter? I've highlighted. You read that letter alone. What is Gr, right?
Okay.
It is Gr. Now tell me the constituents of the letter Gr. Gakara you said. Okay. Followed by what? If Gakara plus A, if you say, it becomes Ga.
Okay.
Then Ga plus Ru becomes what? Garu.
Gakara plus U, sir. U.
Gakara plus
U.
U. Ukara.
Gakara plus A plus Ru. That's the name.
Okay. I think you have to work. Okay. And now I'll tell the answer anyway, because we cannot spend so much time on this. You have to do homework.
Okay. Next time I will read properly, sir.
No, you have to do. You have to go through the previous lesson. But I really, I don't know. When you go, if you have read the lessons, whatever we have covered, then you will not add this and up in between, because it takes time. If you take one student and explain, it takes the time of others also in the class. If you have doubt, you ask me, send me message privately, I will answer. But in the class, I expect you to be up to date. Kakara plus Ru only. Kakara plus Ru only is Gru. From where Akara has come, you cannot supply any letter. You cannot have any letter as you wish in between. Kakara plus Ru only becomes Gru. It is a consonant vowel combination. Gru is Kakara plus Ru.
Okay, sir. Okay,
That
Guruji.
from Akara has come. And we have not seen any combination like that so far. Two vowels combining, following each other. If two vowels come, what will happen? That becomes totally different. That is a Sandhi. That's a totally different topic. Two vowels cannot come together. In Tamil, it will come. Okay. In Tamil, A, I, E. Will it come together or not? You tell me. Tamil, even in mother tongue Tamil, two vowels, not only in Tamil, any language, can two vowels come one after the other? What will happen if the two vowels come? A change happens. If two vowels come, there change happens between at the juncture, at the meeting point of the vowels, and that is called a sandhi. It's a totally different topic. It's just called a sandhi, samhita. That is not the thing here. Kakara plus Ru. Kakara plus Ru is a consonant vowel combination. Gaga, gigi, gugu, gru, ge, gai, go, go, gam, gha. All these things already we have seen. We have seen in the very beginning. So it is a combination. Ga, ga, gi, gi, gu, gu, gru. When did we see this? Long back. So here gru is Kakara plus Ru. That is what is the answer is.
Okay.
Okay. Anyway, I will not explain this again. Okay. You have to
Okay, Guruji.
know this.
Next time I will read properly.
Okay. Because I cannot go back again and to the very basics. I expect
Yes,
the basics to be known to all. Because only 1 hour time is 1 hour goes away like that quickly.
Okay, okay, Guruji.
You have to move on. Okay.
Okay.
Next. What's the next letter?
Dha.
Read that properly.
Dhakaraha.
See, is it Dakara? Dakara will be like this. Dha. Okay. Anybody? What is this letter? Anybody?
Dra.
Dra.
Draha.
Dra.
Draha.
It is Dra. What are the letters in that?
Takara plus
Plus
Dakara
Repa
plus
plus
Repa.
Repa plus
Repa plus
Aha.
Aha.
Aha. Right? So what is this Dakara plus Repa?
Dra.
Conjunct, right?
Dra.
Conjunct consonant.
Conjunct
Dakara plus
consonant.
Repa. Have you seen this combination before?
Yes.
Yes, we have seen.
Yes.
You have seen Prakara plus Ra is Pra. You have seen so many examples. So many examples we have seen. Prakara plus Ra is Pra. Dakara plus Ra is Dra. Makara plus Ra is Mra. Right? Makara plus Ra. Repa plus A. Kakara plus Ra is Kra. All those words already we have seen.
Yes, yes, Guruji.
right? It is a conjunct. The consonant followed by the repa. That is what it is. So it is Grudaha. It is Grudraha. When you read Gakara plus R, Gr, and Dakara plus Repa plus Aha. Now, when you read Gakara plus R, R, here in the conjunct, the first vowel can be read along with the preceding vowel. So, this being Gakara plus R being Gr, so this is Grud. You can read like this. Grud. Grud and Repa plus Aha is Raha. So, Grud, Grud, Raha, Grudraha, Grudraha. That is Grudraha. All this have to be done in a short time mentally, then you have to read the letter. But you cannot read the letter as Daha. If it is Daha, then what is conjunct consonant then? Okay.
Okay. Okay, Guruji.
It's not expected at this time.
Okay, Guruji.
Okay. I'll move on to the next person now.
Grudra.
Next
Okay.
person, Devaki ji, can read. See, I spent some time in teaching you. I expect you to do some homework.
Definitely, Guruji. Thank you. Kamsaha.
Yes, okay. Kamsaha, good. Devaki ji, next person. You can read the next line.
Atihi.
Good.
Jatuka. Davar. Darva Ghataha.
Good. Read again.
Darva Ghataha.
Darva Ghataha. Okay. Continue.
Ushtrapakshihi. Ushtrapakshi.
Ushtrapakshi. Okay.
Ushtrapakshi.
Okay.
Chatakaha.
Good.
Ulukaha.
Ulukaha. Yes. Next person now. Akoshi, back to you.
Kamalam.
Okay.
Japa.
You can read the heading.
Oh, sorry. Pushpani.
Pushpani, there's a mistake in that. Okay. You can correct that. The word I type it here. That it should be Murdhanya Shakara. It is not Talavya Shakara. It's a mistake.
Yeah.
So you can please note that. I cannot correct that in that PowerPoint. It is Pushpani. Okay. Murdhanya Shakara. Pushpani. Not Talavya. That's a mistake. Okay. Continue. Akoshi.
Kamalam.
Good. Then?
Japa.
Japa is hibiscus.
Yeah.
Japa kusumam. Pushpani is flowers. Kusumani also means flowers. So Japa kusumam, hibiscus. Okay.
Malika.
Again.
Malika.
Again.
Malika.
Mallika.
Malika.
Not Malika.
Double.
You read Malika. That's wrong.
Yeah.
Mallika.
Malika.
Okay. Continue.
Paranti.
Read again.
Paranti.
Okay. Good. Continue.
Patalam.
Read again.
Patalam.
Not Patalam.
Pataram.
Your voice is not clear. It's very feeble. Is my voice clear to you?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, but your voice has become feeble.
Oh. I don't know what's happened. Patalam.
Not Patalam. Read properly. What is the first letter?
Pakara.
What is the first letter with the vowel?
Pa.
Now read.
Oh, sorry. Patalam. Yes.
Patalam.
Get it.
Not Patalam.
Yeah.
Continue.
Kumudam.
Kumudam. Okay, next person. You check your audio. Your audio is very feeble.
Yes.
Akanksha ji.
Yes, Guruji. Champakam. Sevantika.
Good.
Mandaram. Ashokam. Tulsi.
No, not Tulsi. Where is
Yes.
Tulsi?
Tulasi.
Yes.
Sorry. Drona Pushpam.
Yes.
Surya Kantihi. Karnikaram. Sudarshana.
Good. Next person. Deepika ji.
Alukam.
You can read a heading.
Phalani, Shakani,
Yeah. Good.
Alukam.
Alukam.
Alukam. Haritam. Lashunam. Grunjanakam.
Good. Grinjanakam. Yes.
Pushpashakam. Suranaha. Bhindihi. Raktaphalam.
Good. Next person. Subhalakshmi ji. Okay.
Vrindaham.
Again.
Palanduhu.
No. Read that first word again.
Vrindakam.
Vrindakam.
No.
Vrindakam.
It is not Vrindakam.
Ta.
What is that letter? Second letter. Second. Huh?
Nakara.
In fact, Nakara plus what is that letter? Read again the word.
Vrindakam.
Vrindakam. Oh, I don't know how to correct this. Here, don't you see the letter Ta there? It is Ta or Da.
Ta.
Then how the pronunciation must be?
Vrindaham.
Vrinta. Vrinta. It is Vrinta, not Vrinda.
Vr.
That's okay. I'm not talking about that. The first letter. The second one is Ta. It is not Da. There's a difference between these two. Ta and Da. Is there or not?
Yeah.
You read it as Vrindakam. That is wrong. It is not Vrindakam.
Vrindaham.
Vrindaham. Oh, that's also a problem.
Palanduhu.
No, it's a. Just a minute. It's your reading has got a problem. I'll try to explain again. Vrinda. This is what you're reading. If I type what you read, in fact, this is not like even this. Like this is you're reading like this. You read this now.
Vrindagam.
This is what you're reading. Vrindagam, Vrindagam. But that is not the word. What is the word? Do you see the difference between these two words?
Yeah.
Read. What is this second letter?
Da.
And here, what is that?
Ta.
The difference or not?
Yeah.
All these differences have been clearly seen. Already we have seen. What is the next letter?
Ga.
Read again. Ga.
Ga.
Ga. Mahaprana. And this is?
Ka.
Now, how will you read this?
Vrindaham.
Now you are changing to Ga to
Kam.
Hum. You're reading. Now read this.
Vrindaham.
That's what you're reading. That is wrong. Because here the letter is.
Ka.
Now read the letter. Read the word.
Vrindakam.
No. Okay. So you have to do homework. Okay. I will just say what it is and we'll move on. It is Vrintakam, not Vrindagam. It is not Vrindagam. It is not Vrindaham. It is Vrintakam. It is.
Vrindakam.
It is not Vrinda. That is wrong. It is Vrinta. Vrintakam.
Vrindakam.
Okay. See, I tried to correct each student the pronunciation. I try my best to correct, but you have to put effort to correct it because I cannot spend too much time on one student. I have to move on. So I correct and then I will move on. The pronunciation, if it is wrong, I will correct, but you have to correct. You have to do homework and correct it. I will give the correct pronunciation and then I will move further. Okay. You have to understand what the mistake is. When I ask you to read for the second time, you have to be alert. You should know that some mistake is done that have to be corrected. So second time when you read, you have to read it properly. Okay. So whenever I ask you to read again, it means there's a mistake. Okay, it is Vrintakam. A lot of Tamil influence is there. From the very beginning, I've been saying this, so you have to correct it. Okay, you can read the next one.
Palanduku.
Continue.
Karkadi.
It is not Karkadi. Karkati.
Karkati. Sorry. Karkati.
If this mistake is not corrected, even when you read shloka, the same mistake will be carried on. Continue. You have to be careful. Okay.
Karavelam.
Okay. Continue.
Urvarukam.
Again, the same mistake we are doing. Urvarukam, not Urvarugam.
Urvarukam. Sorry. Urvarukam.
Wrong. Again, it is wrong. Urvarukam, not gum. Urvarukam. Okay.
Urvarukam.
Yeah.
Palangaha.
Okay.
Koshataki.
Koshataki, not daki. Koshataki.
Koshataki.
Koshataki, not dagi. Okay. Anyway, continue.
Drasha.
Draksha. It is not drasha. Draksha.
Draksha.
Okay, next person, Yajnapriyaji. Yajnapriyaji, you can read the next one. Next line.
Oh, sorry, Ji. Panasam.
Good. Continue.
Sevam.
Yes.
Amaram.
Again?
Palingam.
No. Read the
Oh.
third word again.
Amaram.
Again.
Guruji, we couldn't see your screen.
But how is she reading then?
Amaram.
Can you see the screen?
No,
Yeah, I can see.
We can see.
Yes.
we can see.
Amram.
Who said can't see the screen?
Mrs. Rajeshwari Anand.
You please.
Now it's visible. Now it's visible, Guruji.
Okay. Yes, you can read Yajnapriyaji.
Amram.
Amram, not Amaram. Okay.
Yes, Ji.
Yes.
Kalingam.
Kalingam. Next person. Neelam Desaiji, you can read.
Kadali Phalam.
Kadali Phalam. It is Pha. Pha is Hindi. Pha is Sanskritam.
Okay. Ananasam.
Okay.
Amalkam.
What is that again?
Amalkam.
Amalkam. Where is Mal? Lakara.
Amalakam.
Amalakam.
Amal.
Not Amalkam, not Hindi. Okay, you cannot cut the vowel.
Okay.
Akara from the letter La. Amalakam, as it is to be read in Sanskritam.
Okay.
In Hindi, you cut the vowel, right?
Hmm.
That is not there in Sanskritam,
Okay.
as it is. Amalakam.
Malakam.
Okay.
Narangam.
Narangam. Okay, good. Next person, Kirtiji.
श्वेतः
Okay.
कृष्णः नीलः रक्तः पीतः पिङ्गलः हरितः पाटलः केसरवर्णः.
Good. Next person, Pratibhaji.
Yes. शरीरस्य अवयवाः केशाः sorry
You can read it.
शिरः
You can read any way you like. Yeah.
okay. शिरः नासिका ओष्ठाधरौ
Again.
ओष्ठाधरौ भ्रुः नेत्रं कर्णः जिह्वा दन्ताः कनीनिका कर्पूरः अङ्गुली नखं हस्तः then केशाः कपोलः कण्ठः वक्षः स्थलं जानु ललाटः चिबुकं स्कन्धः उदरं ऊरुः पादः.
Yes. Good.
धन्यवादः.
Next person, Prabhakarji. The numbers are there, simple. You can read.
Okay. Samkayaha.
Sankhyaha.
Sankyaha. One is Sunyam. Zero is Sunyam.
Yes.
One
Okay.
is Ekaha. Ekam. Two is Dve. Three is Trini. Four is Chatwari. Five is Pancha. Six. Five is Pancha. Six is Shat. Seven is Sapta. Eight is Ushta. Ninth is Ashta. 9 is Nava. 10 is Dasha. 11 is Ekadasha. 12 is Ekadasha. Right?
That's correct. Yeah.
Right? Okay. Ekadasha. 12 is Dvadasha.
Ekadasha. I think you read it
And
properly in the
Dvadasha.
beginning. Yeah, Dvadasha. Okay.
Dvadasha. Dasha. That is
Okay.
1 to. Is it 10? Okay.
10.
Dasha
Yeah, number,
and okay.
Mhm.
Number 10 is Dasha. Dvishati. Trishat.
no,
Trishat.
It is Vim.
Oh,
Vim. I don't know whether you see
I was
the
going
dot.
down.
Dot is there. Vim. Vim
Oh.
Shatihi.
Okay, Vimshatihi. Oh, I didn't see this dot, Guruji.
Dot.
Sorry.
That is-
Vimshatihi.
Yes.
Vimshatihi. Trimshat.
Yes.
And then Chatvarimshat.
Good. Yes. 40.
Panchashat.
Okay.
And Shashtihi. And Saptatihi.
Okay.
Saptatihi.
Oshitihi.
No. Yes. Okay. You will read. Okay. You can mute your mic. Yeah. You can read. Prabhakarji.
Okay. Sorry. Okay. Ashitihi
Yes.
is 80. Navatihi, 90. Shatam is 100. Hastram.
Sahasram.
Sahasram, sorry guys. Sahasram is 1000. Ashuttam is 10,000.
Not Ashuddham.
Laksham.
It is,
Ashu.
what is the second letter?
Oh, Ayutam.
Yes.
Ayutam is 10,000. Laksham is 100,000. Prayutam is 1 million. Ketihi.
Not KT.
Kotihi.
Hmm.
Kotihi is 100,000.
Yes.
10 million.
Good.
Thank you, Guruji.
Thank you. Then next one. I think next one we can read in the next class. So we'll stop here. Next time is Samayaha. We will do it in the next class. Please, all of you, have to practice. Practice Ucharanam. Ucharanam, many of you are not proper. The beauty of the Sanskritam is in Ucharanam. It to make the distinction between the vowels, pronunciation of the short vowels, long vowels, and in the context of consonants, Alpa Prana, Mahaprana, Rudu Vyanjanani, Katora Vyanjanani, that there is no distinction that when you read, that when you're reading that the word will give a totally different meaning. And it is not correct to read like that. It's a lot of practice. We can do only to some extent in the class. After that, you need to do the homework. You have to read, you have to read, you have to write, and you have to see how you read also. You just read and record and you listen to what you read. And check whether it is correct. The class, everybody will get some opportunity to read 10 words at the most. But 10 words are enough. When others are reading, you are also learning from others' mistakes. So you learn from other mistakes and you don't do that mistake. That is how the learning happens. It's not that you have to read and do the mistake and correct. Others' mistakes also, from that other mistakes, we learn and we correct those mistakes. That is how the learning takes place. But whatever mistakes you do, your own mistakes, original mistakes, that also you have to correct. So you need to do some practice apart from class. Okay. So hope you continue to do it. So we'll see in the next class. Om Purnamadav Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರು
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ
Dhanyavada, Guruji.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ